In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Ikea purchase history. If you've ever needed a receipt for a return, wanted to check delivery details, or just track what you've bought over time, your purchase history is the fastest way to find it. I'll walk you through the exact path on the website so you can get there confidently and avoid getting lost in menus. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Ikea United States website at ikea.com/USN. Give the home page a moment to load fully so the top navigation appears. Everything we need is in the main navigation bar near the top of the page, and the wording on your screen should be similar even if you're seeing minor design updates. Now look toward the top of the page for the Services option. It typically sits alongside other main menu items. Hover over it or simply select it to open the Services area. This section is where Ikea groups tools that help you after you've placed an order, so it's the right starting point for finding your records. Inside the Services area, find and select Track and Manage Order. This is the hub for order-related actions, including seeing delivery status, making changes where possible, and accessing your past purchases. Once that page opens, choose Track Order. You're still on the correct path. This button leads to the set of tools that handle both current tracking and your historical orders. On the next screen, look for the option that says Go to your purchase history and select it. This takes you directly to the dedicated purchase history page. From here, you'll be able to view a list of your past Ikea purchases associated with your account. Depending on your situation, the site may guide you to sign into your Ikea account to display your saved orders. If you place an order as a guest, the page will show what's needed to look it up, such as an order reference, and it will provide on-screen instructions. Once your purchase history loads, you'll typically see order dates, items, totals, and links to view details or download receipts, which can be helpful for warranties, returns, or expense tracking. If the website layout has changed since this recording, follow the same logic. Start at Services, move into Track and Manage Order, then Track Order, and choose Go to your purchase history. That's it. You now know the quickest way to get to your Ikea purchase history so you can find what you need without hunting around. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along.